Well, I'm glad I'm doing this thorough inspection of this machine, because I found two bolts in here that are wiggling loose, and they are holding the entire base of the crane in place, and enough of them coming undone and breaking, all of a sudden you have the crane lying on the side next to you. That would be a bad day. On this model, it's apparently quite common that the bolts back here in this corner actually breaks.
I had to bring the machine outside and lift the arm up, gave us a little more room to work with. I had purchased an extension for the drill, so it was possible to get all the way down there and start drilling the two broken bolts out. It was really hard, and I ran out of power in the camera as we were able to get them out. One came out easily, the other one we had to hammer in a torque spits and give it a little help out once it was drilled into.
So let's see if we can get access to tighten these two bolts back up. I think we got it. And since two bolts here were damaged or broken, I plan on replacing the next two also, so 4 of them will be brand new, but it's not a lot of room to work with. Hopefully this is the golden length that will make it possible. Seems they have had put some anti-seize on it at some point. I'm just gonna oil it, the new one.
Using a reducer was stupid, cause that broke and I almost took a tumble, but didn't hurt myself luckily. With the proper tool it was easy.